Hello there, welcome to the studio. So, I finally dropped the Akai MPC Live 2. And when I say drop, I didn't mean literally. I had to send it back to the US for it to be sold. So let's talk about the fact that unarguably, Akai MPC Live 2 is still the people's favorite. But then, for me, the MPC Live 2, mine, the major reason why I bought it then, apart from the fact that, oh yeah, it's got speakers, it's compact, it's got battery. One of the major reasons why I bought it then was because of the battery. The side of the earth where I'm at, sometimes power can be an issue. So I decided to go for something that has battery that can easily back up when you're working. But turns out the battery is not reliable. Got spoiled after a couple of, after a year, a couple of months. And then I had to repair it, and that one took a couple of months again, and then went bad. So I decided to, it works pretty well if plugged in, but once you disconnect it, that's the end. So I realized, I think it's better I go for a power, kind of like an alternate power source, instead of having to get it repaired or something like that. I should just go for an alternate power source and then get a device that I won't have to say I'm buying it because of power. That was one of the reasons also why I went for the X. So for me, when I pick one, I'm dropping the other one, and I'm not picking it up just because, oh yeah, that's what is raining, that's what is in town, that's what's in vogue. Aside the fact that maybe because we talk about it, maybe because we teach you how to use it, or maybe because we basically kind of like consider ourselves the scapegoat that will try all these things before telling you if it's good to buy or not good to buy. Even at that, I still make sure I put myself on a leash so I don't get trapped in that gear acquisition syndrome. Yes, it is very, very important. So how about you? Are you also in that line of probably making all your money from the music production and going to buy the latest device just because it's the newest in town without even considering the need for you or the need for it? Are you that kind of person? Let's talk about it, because I noticed that a lot of people just buy most of these devices because you feel, oh yeah, well, I have money. Some people even go to get extra money from where they don't have money to buy it because it's the latest. The one you're using, have you mastered it? So are you trying to tell me that the new devices that come out is giving you or offering you a new thing that the one you're currently using is not offering you? Is there a feature disadvantage? Because as far as I'm concerned, most of these things that come out recently, all they do is rearrange buttons, change the color. They basically just lure you in with aesthetics. The color, the design, the new looks. Oh yeah. And then you jump at it. Why you still have one that is working perfectly well? So my advice for you, if you are new to music production, you might really want to put yourself also on a leash and ensure that you don't spend all your money on latest gears. The money that the OGs are spending to buy new equipment might not be something that might come to you, handy or easily. So you might want to spend your money wisely. And also, most of the times, those OGs, some of them are given these devices for free to test for them, and then they give it to them because they know when people see them using it, they also want to use it or probably go buy it. So they get it for free, and there you go to go and get all your added money put together. You also want to go and buy the same equipment. So I'm just saying, be careful how you spend your money to buy new equipment, except you need it, except it's something you basically really, really want to do. So for my MPC Live 2 that I said I shipped to US, if you are interested, get in touch with me. I can give you at a very discount price before it hits the market over there. And another thing is, if you already have the one you're using right now, why not just stick with it? It's basically for those who are probably right about now do not have an MPC they're working with and they want to join the community. Fine, can give it to you at a very good rate. But then, like I said, learn to caution yourself from just buying everything that comes out, especially when what you currently have is working fine for you. That alone can put some money extra in your pocket without you having to blow your budget. Do you understand? Do not go after new devices simply because of the aesthetics. Go after new devices because you need it. There is a feature that will make your life a lot easier. Anyways, that's my 2 kilobytes worth of advice for you. Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you in the next one.